Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Look at my 7-day-old wash and go. It is so done, so frizzy, and we're gonna recreate this look, but much more fresh and prettier. So I'm really just gonna start off with an Aztec clay just because I have been swimming and my hair has been super dry and I needed it. I need to revive my hair. And this is what it actually looks like after it's all washed out. Super moisturized, super soft. Absolutely love it. It actually has good definition without any product in it so far. So for my wash and go, I'm going to use two different products only, and it's the Mielle Organics Pomegranate Honey line, their leave-in conditioner, and the Taliah Waajid curly Gelo, and I'm going to have that in the description box below. And I'm only going to separate my hair into 4 sections. I don't really do too much when it comes to wash and goes because I don't really need to add too many steps to my wash and go process. I don't even do any like shingling or anything like that. I probably should start, but that's not what I do as of yet. So I just added a little bit more water because it was getting just a bit dry, and I'm going to add some pomegranate honey leave-in and just break that all the way through, and then break it up into one more section so then you can add the gel. I love this gel. I actually purchased it because a friend told me, she told me to purchase something from online. I bought the wrong one and I ended up loving this gel. I just lather that all on and I rake it through, and I don't do too much after that. Yes, so rake, and let's get some defined curls.